Alice spent 6 Resident Evil films trying to remember who she was. Milla Jovovich just stopped Claude from doing the same thing. This is MemPalace, the highest-scoring AI memory system ever benchmarked, and it's free. Every conversation you have with an AI, every decision, every debugging session, every architecture debate disappears when the session ends. 6 months of daily use, 19.5 million tokens of context, gone. Your AI wakes up every morning like Alice in the Umbrella facility. No memory, no context, starting from zero. Milla Jovovich and Ben Sigman built MemPalace using Claude code. Sigman is an AI agent orchestrator and systems engineer with over 20 years in technology, spanning AI agents, Bitcoin, and open finance. Together, they shipped MemPalace on April 5th, more than 30,000 GitHub stars in 4 days. 96.6% on LongMemEval, the highest score ever recorded on that benchmark. 500 questions, 0 API calls. Paid tools like MemZero and Zep score around 85% and cost up to $500 a year. In Resident Evil, Umbrella built the Hive, a compartmentalized facility where every room had a function. MemPalace does the same thing for your AI's memory. MemPalace uses the method of loci, an ancient memory palace technique that Roman senators used to memorize hour-long speeches. Your data gets organized into wings for people or projects, rooms for topics, halls for memory types, closets for summaries, drawers for the original verbatim files, and tunnels for cross-references. Retrieval accuracy jumps from 60% to 95% just by searching within the right wing and room. Structure is the retrieval engine. In Resident Evil Extinction, Umbrella made hundreds of Alice clones. Each one remembered fragments. None had the complete picture. That is exactly what happens when your AI summarizes conversations. You get fragments, approximations. MemPalace does the opposite. It stores every conversation verbatim. No LLM decides what matters. The original survives. The math. LLM summaries cost $507 a year in token spend. MemPalace loads 170 tokens on wake-up. That's 70 cents a year. Add 5 deep searches per day and you're still under $10. The full stack, ChromaDB for vectors, SQLite for the knowledge graph, 19 MCP tools, all local, all free. The Red Queen needed Umbrella's servers. MemPalace needs your laptop. Installing is 4 commands. Pip install MemPalace. Initialize a palace in your project folder. Mine your existing conversations. 3 modes. Projects for code and docs. Convos for chat exports. General for auto classification. Then search, or wire it into Claude or Cursor via MCP and it searches for you. Works with Claude code natively, 1 marketplace command. Claude, ChatGPT, and Cursor via MCP with 19 tools. Gemini CLI auto-manages the server, and Llama, Mistral, any offline LLM can use the wake-up context directly, no special decoder. It's plain text. MemPalace doesn't just remember, it specializes. Each domain agent gets its own wing with its own diary. Your security agent and your front-end agent build separate expertise over time. Letta charges up to $200 a month for agent memory. MemPalace does it with a wing and a diary file. Here is the part most launches hide. MemPalace originally claimed 100% on LongMemEval. Within 48 hours, Penfield Labs and the dev community pushed back, hard. The methodology had issues. Targeted fixes for failing questions, re-ranking that wasn't in the public scripts. The team did something unusual. They revised to 96.6, publicly in the README. Their words, "We are listening, we are fixing, and we would rather be right than impressive." That is the strongest signal in this entire story. 3 things to do. 1. Pip install MemPalace and mine your existing conversations. Months of lost context recovered in minutes. 2. Wire it into Claude or Cursor via MCP. From now on, your AI remembers what you discussed last month. 3. Read the README's honest caveats section. The team's transparency is the strongest signal that this project is built to last. In the final chapter, Alice says, "My name is Alice, and I remember everything." MemPalace just gave that line to your AI for free. Check the Git repo for the full picture of the project and to follow the installation steps. And do not forget to subscribe and like the video. This helps a lot.